Diretso na po kayo, Mami and Daddy, sa ating stage.
Wait, where's the baby? Hello. Wait, my mother's there. Where's your mom? There. Yeah.
Ngayon naman po, inaanyayahan po natin ulit ang lahat na magsitayo upang ating kantahan ng isang happy birthday ang ating celebrant.
Okay. 6, 7.
Okay, kanta tayo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy
Okay, Daddy, pwede na po natin i-blow ang cake. Make a wish. Okay, pwede na po magsupo ng lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagsali sa pagkanta ng happy birthday sa ating celebrant.
Let me go to the room. Bye-bye, guys!